Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm not unboxing anything. Today I'm looking back over the last 25 years in the hi-fi industry, my 25 years in this hi-fi industry, and drilling down into one of the core reasons why I established this unboxing channel was to help share some of the things that really did kind of grab my attention and the things that I was really happy to share. Well, there's a few little things, all sorts of things that you'll see as we develop this sort of 25-year sort of videography, I guess. And some of them are simple and little like this. It's the ProJect Phono Box S2. Now, ProJect have been doing little phono boxes, really good value phono boxes for decades. The Phono Box E was a trickle down of an old model, nice little plastic box, cheap, and really good for a plug-and-play phono stage. The traditional ProJect Phono Box was a metal case, and with that, less extraneous noise, lower noise floor, better circuit topography. But the Phono Box S, and now their new version, the S2, was one that was a wee delight. Not that much more expensive than the Phono Box. The build quality went up, but most importantly, and what I wanted to show you, is that instead of having a traditional switch at the back for moving magnet and moving coil, with the Phono Box S they introduced a series of dip switches for each of the channels just discreetly on the bottom, enabling you to set and configure this for an almost infinite number of little cartridge options, giving you something you would buy today that would stay with you for a lot longer period of time. The S2 is available in two colours. The previous one was black only. This is obviously silver and black. It has a little power button at the front, whereas the previous one didn't. The S2 has introduced a subsonic filter, which is an awesome little feature. Just that rumble that can sometimes accumulate or even roll through a system can be eliminated with one button push. The build quality is excellent. It comes with its own external power supply. All you need is a set of decent leads and you're away laughing. This was actually one of those products that we used to sell to a lot of people with a home theatre amplifier. The phono preamp on the theatre amplifier was often very modest, and one of these simple little add-ons just lifted the performance of their turntable no end. Today we look to add it to any number of credible turntables, including of course some of the famous ones from ProJect. But this thing, for 20 years they've been producing wonderful little phono preamps. This reminds me of some of the best little boxes that ProJect have been doing over those years, and I just wanted to revisit it. I just wanted to share something as simple, elegant and perfect at its job, the ProJect Phono Box S2. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.